Welcome visitors. In this video, I will tell you about how to improve your vocabulary by using English comprehension by translating the Urdu text into English text. But before wasting any time, let's start to do this. As you can see, I am writing simple sentences, so this is a super fast way to build your vocabulary. As you can see, I am not writing according to the Urdu. You can add your own sentences. It's not compulsory that you can write as it is as the Urdu is. You have to change your sentences according to situation. So this is my first video about English comprehension. I will add two more videos and after that we move on to speaking course.